So we're just trying some alternative ways to cook the mandu. We did ours boiled for the show. These, I figured since they're already cooked and we had some left over, I might as well try and do a little pan fry. This is just some oil in a hot pan. And we're just trying to get a little bit of a brown underneath. Normally if they were uncooked, you'd put water, oil in the pan, then a little bit of water after you put the mandu in, a lid on top. It would steam the dumplings. After about 7 minutes, you remove the lid. The water evaporates, leaving the oil to get a nice crispy brown edge underneath, something like that. So these are almost done, actually. We'll take these off.